warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Schaumburg to Glendale Heights, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Shortly.
Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Addison, Rolling Meadows, and Itasca around 6:55 p.m. Arlington Heights, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Villa Park, and Wooddale around 7 p.m. Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Elmhurst, and Bentonville around 7:05 p.m. This is Schaumburg Boomers baseball, including the following states: Interstate 90 between mile markers 70 and 74.
Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 27 and 30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains.